Hey everyone, Ashish Sani this side from Innovate Yourself. Welcome back to another exciting video for the bare metal programming using the ESP-IDF. Today I'm back again with another exciting video that will really help to protect your home, because in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can make your own mini alarm system that can help to protect your home from all the thieves. So basically, like you have seen in the beginning, a person enters the room, and as the person opens the door, the buzzer starts to beep. The same thing we are going to learn in today's video using the IR sensor and the buzzer. So I hope this really excites you and we can move ahead. So let's move ahead and let's understand that how are we going to make everything from scratch using the bare metal programming. So guys, this is the connection of your ESP32 with the IR sensor and the buzzer. So the one which you can see here is this black one. This is your buzzer that is connected to ground through this black jumper wire. This is like connected right here. And similarly, this is your positive terminal of your buzzer that is connected to pin number 2, or you can say GPIO pin number 2, that is connected right here. Similarly, this is the connection of your IR sensor that is connected right here with the ESP32. Here the positive terminal of the IR sensor is connected to this pin, which is your 3.3 volt. So we have connected it right here. Similarly, the next pin is your ground, and that ground is right connected here. This one, this last pin, this is connected to the ground, and this orange pin, that is the output pin of IR sensor, that is connected to pin number 15, or you can say GPIO 15, which is connected through this white jumper wire. So this is the entire connection of your ESP32 with IR sensor and the buzzer. This is your complete circuitry which will help you make your mini alarm system. So this is it. Alright everyone, now let's understand the code. Let me open it up. So this is the code that I have already written and it's ready with me, so you can directly copy and paste it just to try it out. But let me also explain you what exactly we have done. So firstly, we are going to make a mini alarm system using the IR sensor and the buzzer. So this is what I'm doing, and to make that, what exactly we are doing is we are simply using an IR sensor and a buzzer. IR sensor we are just going to set in such a way that every time a door will open or close, it will simply beep a sound. So once the beep sound comes, I can get alert. I can start doing something else. I can hide whatever I was doing. So that's kind of a thing that I'm doing right here. Similarly, buzzer is going to beep. IR sensor is going to give you the value that whether the door is opened or closed. So that's what we are doing. And similarly, the next we are using, or we are having these register values, and these register values we have already covered in one of a previous video, which was for the push button and the LED. There I have covered both the things, input as well as an output registers. So I have covered both of them, and I've also explained you from where I've got these registers using the technical reference manual for the ESP32. So that's how we have done it. For these two registers, I have directly made them volatile, and for the another these three registers, I am making them volatile right here so that I can start using it further. So it's up to you, how do you want to use it. So I'll leave it to you. Next is the delay function that I have here, so that I can provide a delay in between whenever I want to put some delay. This is the function. Again, we have created it in a previous video. You can watch that video to get a clear and full understanding on that. That's what we have done. Now next is app_main. This is what is just to make the volatile, and next these are just to set the registers whether to enable it, or you can say enable the pull-up register for the GPIO 15. That's what we are doing right here. Similarly, this is just to enable your GPIO pins, whether you want to use it as an input or you want to use it as an output. IR sensor is going to use as an input, buzzer is going to be used as an output pin. That's what we are doing. Now after that, we are going to start a loop, and this loop will simply check whether the IR sensor is giving you some value or not. If it gives you the value, then you will simply beep the buzzer for 2 seconds, and if it doesn't have any object in front, then it will simply stop the buzzer. So in simple terms, if I will say, if someone will come immediately, or you can say if someone will immediately open the gate, your beep sound will come and it will continue for 2 seconds. That is how it's gonna work. So this is the entire code for that. I hope you have got a clarity on that. Now the next thing is, let me simply push the code to the ESP32. Let me flash it and let's see it in action. So let's flash the code. So right here, I'll simply flash the code, idf.py flash monitor. My ESP32 is already connected to my system, so I don't have to do any external thing. So you can see every time the gate opens or closed, the beep starts. So what happens is, if I block it right here, it's like the IR sensor is continuously reading the value, or it is continuously sensing that there is some object. That's the reason it is continuously beeping. So if I will correct it, if I will close the door properly, you can see the beep stops. So this is how we have made the simple alarm system using the IR sensor. So this was it for today. I hope you have loved this project, and if you have loved this project, do click on the like button, and if you're new to our channel and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do click on the subscribe button so that you never miss an update from our channel. Also, if you haven't understood anything or if you want clarity on something, feel free to leave a comment below in the comment section, and also you can check the link in the description to get all the components that we have used in our project. So this was it. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.